In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checkbox on Obsidian. First, open Obsidian and make sure you're in the vault where you want to work. Obsidian is a markdown-based app, so everything you type is plain text that can be formatted and turned into interactive elements like checkboxes, also called tasks. We'll keep things organized as we go so your notes stay tidy and easy to manage. Start by creating a new folder. Look to the left sidebar and click New Folder. This step isn't strictly required to add a checkbox, but it's a good habit. Give the folder a short descriptive name that matches the project or list you're about to build. Keeping related notes together will make them easier to find later. Next, create a new note inside that folder by clicking New Note. Rename the note to something meaningful, like tasks or today's checklist, so you can quickly identify it in your vault. Now type the content you want to track. Put each item on its own line. This makes it simple to convert each line into a checkbox and keeps your list clean. If you already have text you want to turn into tasks, you can paste it here and put one item per line. Place your cursor next to the text you want to turn into a checkbox. The easiest way is to move the cursor to the start of the line. If you plan to convert several lines, you can do them one by one to keep control over the order and formatting. Use the keyboard shortcut to add the checkbox. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+L. On Mac OS, press Command+L. With that shortcut, the current line becomes a task with an interactive checkbox you can toggle. You'll see the box appear, and clicking it will mark the task as done. Repeat the same shortcut for any other lines you want to convert into checkboxes. If you don't immediately see a checkbox appear, make sure you're viewing the note in Live Preview or Reading View, where interactive elements are visible. Also, if the shortcut doesn't work on your setup, check your hotkeys and settings and search for checklists to confirm or adjust the binding. Different keyboard layouts or custom key maps can change this. That's it. You opened Obsidian, created a folder, made a new note, typed your items, placed your cursor next to the text, and used Ctrl+L keys. Ctrl+L or Command+L to add your checkboxes. Save the note and you're ready to track your progress.